Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you guys my set of yarn braids. It is all braided, but as you know, I'm not done with it. I did them a lot smaller than what I normally do. Yeah, this side is purple, although it looked like it's coming up blue for some reason. But it is purple. The color purple that it is amethyst. And then I used this color, a brown color, which is called, what is this color? What is this color? Cafe Latte. And as you can see, I bought the jumbos, the Red Heart jumbos. And this is how big it is originally, and then this is all that I used, which is still pretty much looks exactly the same. Yep, they both looks like I haven't used anything. But I did 4 strands on each of these braids. I am going to braid these up and dip it, that way they are crinkly. And you guys also know that when you dip it in the hot water, that it does tend to get longer for some reason. I'm not sure why. So it's not going to be this short. It'll probably be about an inch and a half longer than what it is. Another note, it took me about 9 hours to do the yarn. The jumbo pack of yarn I actually purchased off of Amazon. I usually get it from Walmart, but lately Walmart has not been having any colors, which is why I had to go with like some weird colors. Amazon, the colors that I chose were the cheap colors on Amazon. I'm not gonna lie, they were $5 a pack. For like the standard like coffee brown, you guys, it was $11 and some change, almost $12. And I was like, I bet I don't. I'm gonna do something weird like I always do anyway, and just be different. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to braid these up and dip it, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So I'll be right back. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am all braided up, looking crazy. I did do the ones in the front. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is what it looks like. I am very happy with it. I love how it turned out. The purple side does look a little bit longer than the brown. I may need to cut that just a little bit, but overall I like it. I really like the purple as well. Like, I didn't think the purple was going to be cute. The brown looked like it curled better. I don't know. Okay, overall it's cute. If you guys have a color request, or even if it's crazy, like two-tone, you guys know I will do it. I'm all up when it comes for doing hair. I'm very open. So if you have any colors that you would like to try with yarn but you're not sure what it would look like, just put in the comments below. I will try it out. Yeah, you guys, I really like it. I really like it. I really like it. I'm going to try to keep it in for a month, but you guys know I change my hair like so often, it probably won't last, but I'm going to try to keep it in for a month. I'm going to try. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.